Hi, I'm Francois Nodier. I'm Technical Manager for Citrus at Southern Fruit Growers. We would like to introduce you to our new citrus variety, the Queen Mandarin, which we are very excited about.
I'm Elmar Olofse from Indulini Fruit, the area manager in Kirkwood Arrow area in the Eastern Cape. The Queen has a deep orange-red external color, fully colored 2 months before harvest. The Queen is a high production with a good internal quality.
Yeah, one of the big advantages of the Queen Mandarin is that it's very easy to peel. On the inside of the fruit, about 50% of the Queen Mandarins have like a secondary fruit on the inside. That is actually what they call the crown of the Queen.
Good morning, my name is Gustav Bell. I'm the operational manager of Indulini Fruit here in the Eastern Cape in South Africa in a small little town, Potensi. We are packing the Queen. It's our new cultivar. So from a packhouse perspective, the most important thing for us is that we don't have to degreen it. That's quite a process to degreen fruit. So this fruit is ready on the tree for about a month before harvest date. They are full color in the tree. So you save a lot of time and cost on not degreening it. That's a plus point of this cultivar because it's deep orange, and as you've seen in the packhouse, there's quite a difference between other soft citrus cultivars and the Queen. It has a real deep orange color, so it looks juicy and it looks nice. The sizing is more or less anything between 1XX and size 2. And that's the most popular size that people buy. For that reason, we have a high pack out also on this cultivar. More or less, depending on how good you did your preparations in the orchards, you can have a pack out of 95% class 1. So it's actually excellent. This cultivar stores very well, so you can keep it for a long period of time in the cold room. And because it's a later Mandarin, it fits into the market very nice. So there's a gap in the market, and that's the aim of the game. That's what we try to fill.
Hi, I'm Jörg Barnard, the area farm manager of Indulini Fruit in Potensi. This orchard is only on its third year of production, but it's already bearing like a 6 to 7 year old orchard. The tons per hectare is very high, and we hope you all enjoy the Queen as much as we do.